IWCS tutorial, iriComm 4.0, basic use. Congratulations with your iriComm 4.0 headset. In your box, you will find headset, wind muff kit, user manual, bandana, mollycoat, and charging cable. To power on, press and hold the button for 2 seconds.
Power on, battery high.
To power off, press again and hold the button for 2 seconds.
Power off, power off.
When the headphones is on, hold the power button for 5 seconds to pair.
Power off. Pairing.
Wait for the headset to connect.
Paired. Headset connected.
Your headset is now connected. To change the volume, press either the rear button to decrease the volume or the front button to increase the volume. To mute or unmute your microphone, press both volume buttons at the same time. On the right ear cup, press and hold one of the 2 PTT buttons to talk on radios. Click once to activate or deactivate the situational awareness. To turn the LED light on, click once for low light, click again for highlight, and click again for off. When off, hold for 3 seconds to activate strobe light. Click once to cancel. To reduce wind noise, mount a bigger wind muff onto the microphone. To achieve a higher level of wind noise reduction, a third-party wind muff can be fitted. Place the microphone so close to the mouth that your lips can touch it. To adjust the swivel arms, loosen the tension by turning the nuts. Do not over-tighten the nut on the swivel arms. A light tightening is sufficient to keep it securely in place.